Howdy folks. Today we are looking at a really ugly Marantz model 2220. This thing was came to me pretty cheap, and you can see why. It is horribly ugly. I don't know what this is about. That's going to be fun to explore. We're missing one of our switches here. It does theoretically turn on, but I'm a little bit terrified of this thing, so we're going to have to do some exploring before we actually try to turn it on. So the first thing I want to do is see what's going on in here. One thing you probably can't see on camera is this is some high quality fabric tape going on here. So this might actually be non-trivial for me to get in here and see what's going on. Okay, looks like not much all that interesting, just a lot of fabric tape. So yeah. Okay, now that that's back together, not exactly awesome, but at least functional for some bench testing. Next thing we're going to do is take a look inside. According to the previous owner, this thing actually works, or at least works to some extent. Lights up and makes noise, doesn't burst into flames when you plug it in. But given the look of it, it's still pretty scary. So I'm going to take the cover off, take a look inside, and we'll go from there. Well, looks pretty dirty. Let's see if anything looks particularly scary or if it is just dirty. That is horribly dirty. But nothing looks fried. It just looks completely caked in lots of things. Got bugs living in here. Good times. Tuning capacitor looks surprisingly clean. Yeah, this thing is pretty ugly, but yeah, I'm not seeing anything that looks popped. I'm curious why some of the things like, why is this one capacitor clean and everything else is gross? It's like this whole little area right in here. Tilt it up here. See if I can get it so you can see it. Yeah, there's like a whole little area right there that's kind of clean for no reason. And then some of the caps up here also look pretty clean for no reason. It's interesting. But I think my next step here is going to be I'm going to risk actually turning this thing on, see what it does. All right. Yeah, power switch kind of works. Oh, that's disgusting. Not sure if you saw that. See if I can show you. It's actually like there's some stringing grossness coming off of this thing. Oh no, the power button won't come back. There we go. That's on. That's off. That's just disgusting. All right. All right, the other buttons at least seem to work. The knobs turn, not something I ever thought would be in question if the knobs even turn. Okay, nothing terrifying here. Let's plug it in. Cord's in great shape, or plug, All right. Okay, so it's plugged in, and it didn't burst into flames. So let's try turning it on. Holy crap, it turns on. That's pretty awesome. Let's see. If we cool, the little dial indicator even, the needle even lights up. See? That's pretty cool. Can't say I really expected that to still work. All right. Well, we're going to have to hook up some speakers and see if this thing makes noise. That's awesome. All right, so here goes nothing. Let's see, we're on aux, volume's all the way down. Flip over to FM and see if we can actually tune anything in. Let's see. Tuner doesn't seem to be doing much. There's a little bit of difference.
The end result. Shows ever on American television. Introduced French cooking to the U.S. at a time.
All right. Getting different things out of the different speakers. That's kind of fun. Let's get away from the radio and let's see what it does. Record. Interesting. Interesting that going either way on the balance knob kills it. Giving it any sort of volume at all gets me buzzing on one channel or both channels. Let's see, same symptoms on the other set of speakers. All right. So yeah, I think the next thing we're going to do is try and just literally clean things up. I'm going to go at this with some DeoxIT, and I might even do something a little more drastic as far as doing some spring cleaning up inside. So yeah, I think we're just going to call this one a looky-loo video, and we're not going to do much else right now because yeah, this thing is freaking gross. So yeah, in the next one, it'll be less gross, and we'll see what we can do from there. Alrighty, thank you as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.